Welcome to day 1 of Beginner Yoga Challenge. Today we will begin with a simple 15-minute yoga stretch. Let's get started by finding a comfortable cross-legged seat on your mat. You can sit on a yoga block, a cushion or a folded blanket or towel to make this position more comfortable. This pose is called an easy pose, so find a position where you can sit with ease and comfort. Sit up nice and tall, ground down through your sit bones, and imagine there is a string pulling your head up towards the ceiling. Relax your shoulders away from the ears. Let your hands rest on your knees and close your eyes. Take a moment to notice how your body feels today. If there are any parts of your body where you feel tension or tightness. Begin to slowly deepen your breath, breathing in through the nose and breathing out through the nose. As you inhale, notice the air entering your nostrils, traveling down to your lungs, expanding the chest. And as you exhale, notice the chest lower down, the air leaving through your nostrils. Now gently open your eyes. With your next inhale, circle your arms up to the sky, stretching through the sides of your body. Reach up through your fingertips. Keep breathing deeply, don't hold your breath. Take one more deep inhale here, stretch. And exhale to circle your arms down. Place your right fingertips on the mat. With inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, bend to the right. The hips stay firmly grounded. Reach through your left arm, creating a big side stretch on the left. And don't forget to breathe in and out through your nose. With your next inhale, come up to center and switch side. Left fingertips on the mat. Inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, bend towards the left. Big stretch on the right side of the body. Imagine sending your breath to the right side. Expanding your right ribs, deepening the stretch. Inhale back to center. Place your left hand to the right knee, right hand behind for support. With inhale, lengthen your spine a bit more. Exhale, twist to the right, gaze over your right shoulder. A gentle seated twist. With your next inhale, turn back to center, switch side, right hand on the left knee. Inhale, lengthen the crown of the head towards the ceiling. Exhale, twist to the left. Look over your left shoulder. Breathe in here. With your next inhale, turn back to center. And come to your hands and knees for tabletop position. Spread your fingers wide, position your wrists underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. Your toes can be tuck or untuck, whatever feels better for your knees. We'll do a few rounds of cat and cow here. With inhale, drop the belly, arch the back, look up. Roll your shoulders down, creating space between your shoulders and ears. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Take one more inhale here. With exhale, press through your hands, round the spine, drop the chin, spread the shoulder blades wide for cat pose. With your next inhale, drop the belly, look up for cow. Exhale, round the back for cat. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round the back. Continue on your own, moving with the breath, warming up and stretching the spine. On your next inhale, come back to a neutral spine. Straighten your right leg and place the toes down. Gently press the heel back and down so that you feel some stretch on the back of your leg, on your calf. Now place your right knee back underneath your hip and straighten your left leg, toes on the ground. Press your left heel down, stretching the calf. And bring your left knee back. Now keep your hips stacked over your knees as you walk your hands forward, lowering your chest closer to the ground for puppy pose. Maybe you can release your forehead or chin down to the mat. Maybe your elbows reach the ground, maybe not. Your pose might look a little different from what you see on the screen because we all have different bodies. What we are looking for here is a stretch in the spine, shoulders, maybe underneath your armpits, on your arms. See if you can close your eyes here, turn your attention inwards and notice where you feel the stretch in this pose. Imagine sending your breath to the areas where you feel that stretch to create more space, more openness. Let's take one more deep breath here. And with your next inhale, walk your hands back. Bring the big toes together. Sit back on your heels. Lower your belly to your thighs. Relax your forehead on the ground for child's pose. One of the most relaxing yoga poses. And a gentle stretch for your hips and lower back. Remember your breath. As you inhale, feel your body expand, your back raise. And as you exhale, feel your body relax and soften towards the mat. One last time, breathe in here. Breathe out. And come up to seated. Straighten your legs in front of you. Find a comfortable seat with straight spine. Flex your feet by pulling your toes towards your body. Try to straighten your legs. If it's hard to sit like this, you can always bend your knees. Another option is to place a towel or blanket underneath your hips. Take a big inhale to lengthen the crown of the head towards the ceiling. With exhale, bend forward to your legs. Try to keep your spine long. Think of lengthening your spine a bit more on each inhale. And bending a bit more towards your legs with exhale. Feel the stretch on the back of the body, on your hamstrings, maybe also on your lower back. If this is easy, try to straighten your legs a bit more to increase the stretch on the hamstrings. With your next inhale, slowly lift your upper body. Bend your right leg, place the foot outside of the left thigh. Right hand behind for support. With your left hand, hug the right thigh. Inhale to lengthen the spine. With exhale, twist to the right, gazing over your right shoulder. Keep pulling your right knee closer to your chest. You might feel some stretch on the outside of the right hip. Breathe here, in and out through the nose. With inhale, come back to center. Straighten your right leg, bend your left leg. Left foot outside of the right thigh. Hug your left thigh with the opposite arm. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, twist to the left. Pull in your left knee a little bit closer. With your next inhale, slowly come back to center. Cross your legs again. Come into easy pose that we did at the beginning of the practice. Close your eyes here and notice how your body feels now. Maybe you notice that it's easier for you to sit in this pose after we did a couple of spine and hip stretches. Maybe you don't feel any difference at all. That's all okay, just try to observe what you notice in your body. If there are any changes or any new sensations. Bring your palms together in front of your chest. Thank yourself for taking this time to practice and do something good for your body and mind. When you're ready, open your eyes. Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed day 1 of our challenge. Let me know if you did in the comments below. See you tomorrow!